Welcome to another high voltage episode of Drawing with Oz. This time we are going to draw an adjustable wrench. How about that? Okay, let's start with a straight line here, slight angle here, jaw. Okay, circular motion down here, all the way down to the handle. And then this comes up and then just kind of stops right there. Why? Because we have to put the other jaw in. So here's this jaw. And this goes down into the wrench and is adjusted back and forth with a thumb screw. And we're going to put that right here. There's the opening. And another rectangle inside of a rectangle. And in this, a little bit of an angle to show the thread of that. The hole and the handle to hang it on your pegboard. And then this part right here slides down inside the mechanism. And there you have a crescent wrench. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.